Do you need to set up precise shipping costs for specific postcodes in Shopify, but found out it's natively impossible? Whether you want to offer local delivery for specific neighborhoods or set different rates for remote areas, generic Shopify shipping settings may not be sufficient. Introducing the Shipping Rates Rules and Zones app, which will handle this task. Finally, you can gain surgical-level control over your delivery strategy, creating shipping zones for countries and regions, and limiting them to specific cities or postcodes. Once the app is installed, you'll land on the main dashboard. As you can see, it is straightforward. Before adding the magic to the app, remember to add your target countries in Shopify Settings, Shipping and Delivery tab in your general profile. For this example, we'll use the United Kingdom. Now let's go back to the app setting page. The challenge? Many carriers charge a premium for the Scottish Highlands and Islands, but Shopify doesn't allow splitting Scotland into specific regions. Plus, since my business is based in London, I want to offer cheaper delivery within London compared to standard rates. We're going to fix both right now by creating 3 custom zones: London, Discounted, Scottish Highlands, Premium, and UK Mainland, Standard. So let's create shipping zones. Click Configure your first shipping zone. Let's name this zone London, Discounted Delivery, and from a section below select United Kingdom. Now the limitation method, select specific cities and enter London. Last step, save changes. First zone is ready, so let's add second one, Scottish Highlands and Islands. Click Add Shipping Zone again. Zone name, Scottish Highlands and Islands and United Kingdom as a country. In this scenario, the zone is restricted to specific postcodes, so we choose the specific zip postal codes limitation option. And I paste the previously prepared postal codes for the Scottish Highlands and Islands. You can define postcodes in multiple ways, one per line, separated by commas, wildcards like in this example, or numeric ranges, as shown in the helper text below. Finally, we save the changes and return to the main view to add the last shipping zone. This time, we'll name our zone UK Mainland. And apply no limitations, which means all UK areas not covered by the previous zones will be handled by this exact zone and receive the shipping rate we'll add in the next step. Now for the fun part, adding the shipping rates. You can add multiple rates per zone by clicking the plus icon on the right. For the first zone, London Discounted Delivery, we'll create the London Express shipping method. In the rules table below, you can select multiple conditions, such as subtotal price, weight, customer tags, and more. However, I only need a simple flat rate for all products, so I will choose the subtotal price and set flat rate to £3.99. At the end, we save the changes and now we have the first rate added for the London zone. Next, we add the rate for the Scottish Highlands zone. Click the plus icon just like before and enter the shipping method name, Remote Area Shipping. As before, we select the subtotal price condition but set a higher shipping rate. Let's make it £12.99. Save the changes and return to the main screen. And finally, the last rate for the UK Mainland zone. Let's name it Mainland Shipping and set the flat rate to £6.99. And with that, we've completed the setup of our shipping scenario in the app. Now we just need to test how our settings work on the checkout page. We've already added a product to the cart. Let's see what happens when we try different shipping addresses. First, I enter a London address. And London Express appears at £3.99. Perfect. Now I change the shipping address to the Scottish Highlands and Islands area. As you can see, Remote Area Shipping shows up at £12.99, exactly what we set. One last test, I enter an address from outside those two zones, like York, and as expected, Mainland Shipping appears at £6.99. It's accurate, and saves you from shipping cost headaches. You can find the link to the Shipping Rates Rules and Zones app in the description below. You're welcome to try the app yourself with a 7-day free trial. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions about the application, please leave them in the comments.